In today's video, I'm going to teach you quickly create stories in Jira using Atlassian Intelligence AI. Jira's Atlassian Intelligence can help you turn a rough epic into a clearer, more actionable set of user stories in just a few moments. This is especially useful when you already know the general goal of a project, but you want Jira to help structure the details and suggest the work items for you. To get started, open Jira and navigate to the project you are working in. From there, open the epic you want to break down. This should be the epic that represents the larger feature, initiative, or piece of work you want to expand into smaller items. Once you are inside the epic, go to the description area and type in the same keywords related to the feature or goal you are working on. You don't need to overthink this part. The idea is to give Atlassian Intelligence enough context so it can understand the topic and generate something more useful from it. Even a few clear keywords can help guide the AI in the right direction. After that, click the Improve Epic button. This tells Jira you want help refining the epic content when the options appear. Choose Improve Description. Jira AI will then generate an enhanced version of the epic description for you. The improved description typically includes several helpful sections, such as the objective, the context, the scope including what is in and out, the success criteria, and any risks or dependencies. It may also include a placeholder for extra information, which is useful if you want to come back later and add business notes, technical considerations, or project-specific details. This part can save a lot of time because it gives your epic a much more complete structure without needing to write everything manually from scratch. Once the generated description looks good, save it. This locks in the improved version, so you can use it as the foundation for generating the next level of work. Now scroll to the Child Work Items section. Click into that area, then select Suggest to generate work items. Jira AI will review the epic and its newly improved description, and it will suggest child items based on that content. If the suggestions look right, click Create All. Jira will then generate all of those AI-suggested work items for you, helping you move from a broad epic to a more organized backlog much faster. That's the full process for quickly creating stories in Jira using Atlassian Intelligence AI. Thanks for watching.